my gosh, we have someone here.
How you all doing? Hello. Yes, it's an honor to be here. I know the trials and tribulations that you guys have faced over the years, and I just want to celebrate this moment with you. Give you an opportunity to shop and have fun and enjoy it, because this is what we're going to always remember, these memories right here. You ready to go shop? Let's go shopping. I'm ready too. We're here today to give these families, the Ronald McDonald House, the opportunity to just enjoy. These individuals have been through so much pain and sorrow, and what we want to do is we want to take that off, and I'm glad that Kohls and I has partnered together to make sure that these families get the opportunity to do that. 1, 2, 3. Good. Like this is yours. Yes.
It's so special. He just walked with our kids holding their hands, and for him to take that time out is amazing.
For an organization to think of other families and kind of just plan this whole thing for our family was huge. It'll be something that my kids will remember for the rest of their life.